today is Tuesday. Yesterday is Monday, today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. So Wednesday, uh, Mimi and the chief cashier not there. So tomorrow, don't know how. Hopefully, there's one more person can do cashiering also. If they're not there, then I have to take Tuesday. Uh, you still having ulcer in the mouth. It's really very painful. Drinking a lot of water, but don't know how a lot is a lot. Just drink and drink and drink. Even drinking the three leg brand cooling water. That one can only drink 4 times daily. Every time can only drink 200 ml. So that one cannot drink too much. But don't know, can we drink more coconut water and the herbal tea, the Chinese 凉茶? Don't know how all this work. Maybe a 凉茶 can drink a few times. Maybe 1, 2 times, 3 times per day. For coconut water, don't know can drink how much also coconut water. Hopefully can recover soon from this ulcer thing. It's really very annoying. And some more today, feeling a bit like, don't know, is it headache or don't know what is that. Then go and buy this thermometer 390 from the bookshop. I guess don't know how accurate is it. I think my temperature is give me a reading of 37 degrees. So most likely there is no fever. So thank God there is no fever, but the mouth ulcer is not solved yet. So later after this I will go and try to drink as much water as I can. But I don't know drinking ice water can help or normal plain water. So we will see about that. Today, later we'll go inside the game for what you call that? 2 Horntail run, 2 normal Hera run, 2 Zekrom run. The Horntail run is more for the EXP. Yeah, all these 3 ones got some EXP, but Horntail got the most EXP. But I haven't. Oh, okay. And to get suspicious cube and get EXP. That's the 3 bosses I can do for my dual blade. Because my range is not that high, I cannot go to the end game bosses also. My level not there also. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy your day, the rest of the week also, and hopefully all we can do is try to eat properly, rest properly, sleep enough, and hopefully no late nights. Just do what you can do from there. Water, rest, sleep. Yeah, and a lot of love.